example, check what I did with the gift that you gave me. Look, okay? All the drill bits are in place, even though I was shaking and all that. So what I did is I did a negative for this here with Kaizen foam, and I used 2P10 glue too. Okay, so that way I can take it anywhere. And look this. All the drill bits went down except for this line. Look. That's because I installed a super magnet on each one of them. So the magnet keeps those in place. And for people that has their shops in their trucks and they go on the freeway or something and they go shaking like this, it won't be a problem because the magnet will keep it in place, okay? I hope you like this video. Thanks.